guys, it's your girl Darlene. So today's video I'm going to unboxing my new Ninja coffee maker. So this coffee maker I got it at BJ's, and I don't know, just something about the coffee maker I like. Because I used to have the other one. Something happened to it. I hung up put water on it when I was washing it, and when I plug it in, it wasn't working. So that's mean you're not supposed to wash the whole body. So I didn't know. So it got messed up. So now I went and get another one from BJ's, and so I said let me try this coffee maker, and it kind of look nice. So it's a Ninja. Let me turn the back. So this coffee maker at BJ's was like 30% off. It was like $1.99. So with the 30% off, it came to $169. So it went down. So so let's see what's inside and see how it look. Let's open the box. So it come with that envelope, some envelope inside of it, I don't know. And it show you coffee maker papers and stuff like that. So that was inside of it, on top of it, and that's how it look. So I'm going to open it. So let me put it down so you can see it. What inside? But it looked kind of big, like it's bigger than the other one I used to have. So that's how I look. So that's the cup. I think the cup is like if you have like friend or family come over, and you know, or depend how many people you have in the house, you can have a big cup of coffee. Like me, I drink coffee every day. I drink coffee every day, and so that's the big cup. the coffee cup. Okay, that's how you look. And I think you twist it. You see, you twist the top to open it. There you go. That's how you look. And you put the top back in and twist it. Ah, come on. Why I'm fighting with you? Okay, see? It closed. So that's how it is. That's the coffee cup. So depending how many people you have that drinking coffee, you use the big cup. But me, it's just me and my kids. I don't have to use the big cup. It's like if I have somebody come over, yeah, I will make like a big cup and we drink and enjoy. It's kind of a little bit heavy now. So, oh, well, wow. So that is like when you put a cup. Yeah, it's like when you put a glass or whatever you put in down there. And you put it right here on top. Let me show you. Like if I'm using my glass, I put it right here in my coffee zone, like there. And you put it up, and you use the big cup, like something like that. You put it right here, right there. See it? Just like that. That's for the big cup. So me, I don't need that. So I don't need that. I'm just gonna use the little table thing and put it right here, and that's it. Put my coffee. And you put the water right there. That's where you put the water. You take it out. Take it out right here. And you put the water inside the glass. See? Since I'm gonna use it, so just take up everything. Putting back the coffee, the top for the glass. And right here, if you can see, you can see how many cups you want your coffee. So me, I think it'll be a cup of coffee it's enough for me to drink. So see, it show you which one. And after that, you put the water inside the glass and you put it back just like that. And you lift the top. See? You lift the top. That's where you put the coffee cup. Let me get one and show you. one of those little coffee. So you put it on top of it and push it down just like that. See, it show you push it down and you lift. See, push it down, and it show it right here too. Lift to open. This one make like 3 holes. The other one I used to have is only one hose. So you push it down, and let me see what this. I mean, this one don't do anything. So okay, so this one open, but I don't know what is this for. So maybe it's nothing for this. So let me lift this one. So this one is nothing. So now I know to not wash the whole body like I did with the other one, because the other one I washed the whole body and it wasn't working no more. It wasn't working no more. So this one I know to not wash it. Let me see. So it's something on the side, so I'm trying to I guess when you, I think this is like for your coffee, like, you know, like if you have ground coffee and you scoop, take some and put it on top. That's what I think it is. And you put it back. I think that's what it is for. And let me try to see if I can plug it in. So trying to look for the plug so I can plug it in and see. Now it is. Okay, now it's on. You can see it's on. It said 12 a.m. I know it's not 12 a.m. So I think you put it by the, okay, so that's how it works. So look, see, so what I was telling you, it go by the cups. It's right here. So you gotta go, so 10 is like medium cup. Yeah, I think. So that's like 6 is like little cup, the one I show you, and 8 and 10. So that's like full cup. I can't drink all that. And let me see, like how many ounces you want it. Yeah, that's what I mean, how many ounces you want it. So, and you say rich over ice. And let me turn it on because I don't think I did turn it on. Turn it off or turn on? I don't know. Okay, I think it's on right now. But I already drank my coffee this morning, so I'm not gonna try and make a coffee right now. And not even there, that coffee maker can clean it itself. Like I mean, like the coffee maker can clean by himself and stuff like that. I didn't know that, because the other coffee maker I used to have, it wasn't like that. But this coffee maker can clean himself, so that's a good thing. Oh my gosh, I just started. Ooh. But there's no water, so so it's not gonna go through. I'm just trying to show you how it is. So yeah, so I guess that's how it is, and that's my coffee maker. And maybe by tomorrow I'm gonna use it and see how I like it. And I hope you like the coffee maker and you try to get one too. And I guess that's it for today on my unboxing video. And I will see you on my next video. Share and like and subscribe. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.